Hello, so today I'm gonna be doing like a prom look, and I kind of know what I want to do. Like it's gonna be like neutral so that it will like match with a lot of dresses, and so basically like browns and white. I think I am gonna use glitter, so yeah. Okay, I look white. So I'm gonna try to only use the James Charles palette because I'm only gonna use like a few colors, and he has like a few browns, so I think that's what I'm gonna use to try to only use one palette. And yeah, I'm first gonna take this one. It's like a warm brown. It's like a warm brown. It's really light and looks almost orange. It's like a sienna. I'm gonna put that really high up right here. I just primed my lids, with this concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal in Natural. And then now I'm gonna go in with the shade. I'm gonna use this brush. It's kind of like flat, but it's not an actual flat one. It's like a little like this. I always like pack it on and then I blend it to create the shape first. And for this, we're gonna go like really high up over here towards the inner corner, but then towards the end it's still gonna be high, but you're gonna round it down like to your outer corner, so it's gonna go like this, if that makes any sense. Okay, this one looks really orange. It doesn't even look like a brown. I did both eyes now, and I'm gonna go in with the other shade, which is gonna be, I don't know. I'm gonna use the one right next to it, which is this one. This one's more like a sienna, I'm pretty sure. This was like, I don't know, burnt sienna? I don't know. This one, and then I'm gonna go in with this one. And then I'm gonna use this brush. It's literally like the same as this one, but just a little smaller and more like not as fluffy. We're just going in the same place, just a little under the previous color. I feel like it's not blending. Alright, so I put on the browns and they won't blend. I'm pretty sure you can see, but when I go like that, there's a line right there, and right there above my crease, that's just like white because it's like my skin. And I try to like put the shadow, and once I blend it like even once, it just disappears. So I don't know why it's doing that, but now I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm gonna use the same concealer that I used to prime my lids. Okay, now I'm gonna set this with the white in the James Charles palette. We're gonna create like a wing thing, but it's like just gonna, you're basically just gonna put this color down here, like a little wing thing, so you're just gonna connect it down here. I'm gonna use this really small brush, and I'm gonna take that color, the darkest one that we used, and start doing that. So I finished doing that, and then I put a little bit, I don't know if you can see it, little shimmer thing, like white shimmer on the white part, and I used this Wet n Wild little loose shimmer. Now I'm gonna put on some glitter right here where I did the line, and I'm gonna use, I think these are from Amazon, I think, because my sister has like a lot, like a pack. And I have this one that's like brown, like black and brown. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in like right here in that line. So this is how the glitter looks. I don't know if it looks good or not. So I put on my lashes and they look weird because I don't know how to put on lashes, so don't look at them too close. Now I'm gonna do my face, and I already primed with the same primer that I always use. And now I'm gonna do my foundation. I'm gonna use this one, the one that I always use. My prom is next week, like next week from when I'm filming this. But if you're watching this the day that I uploaded, which will be Thursday, then prom is tomorrow. And oh my gosh, I literally have no idea what to do for my makeup for prom, and it's next week. I don't know if you noticed, but I got nose rings. I got this one. This one's just like a simple one color one, and this one has a little stud at the end. So yeah. I already set my face. Now I'm gonna use bronzer. I'm gonna use this and this as my bronzer. Now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I'm gonna use the really dark shade really close to my line, to my eye, and then the really light one to like diffuse it. Now I'm gonna use highlight, or I'm gonna put on my highlight, and I'm gonna use James Charles palette again, and I'm gonna use this one. This is the final look. Actually, I need to put on some. I need to do my lips. I'll be back. I went with a nude lip with gloss on top, and this is the final look. I'm gonna wear a ponytail to prom, so like basically if I were to do this look for prom, I would have it like this, like my hair and everything. Bye.